In this video, I'll show you how to download and register to use the Malpack Toolbox. Open either the App Store or Play Store. In the search bar, type Malpack Toolbox. Select the app from the list, and then tap the Install button. When the app is fully downloaded, you can then open it. Tap the Get Started button. From the home page, select the Register button. Enter your info in all the fields, including what you want your password to be. Then, tap the Register button. Select OK to verify your email. Open your verification email in your mail application. Tap on the Click Here button in the verification email. Once you see the verification success checkmark, you can then return to the Malpack Toolbox app. Now, enter your email and the password you created and tap Login. That's it. You've successfully registered an account for the Malpack Toolbox and can begin using its many excellent tools. Thanks for watching.